Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to locate your USB flash drive on your Finder using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a USB flash drive. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let us focus on the Mac computer. Bring the USB flash drive into the frame by connecting to the computer itself. That has now been inserted. So we should see that pop up on screen. But now if I go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder. This is not visible within locations on Finder. However, there is a small trick that we can use in order for us to bring that on screen, so we can therefore click on this. If we are still unsure as to what's happening, or we want to open up that USB flash drive, but we still cannot access that within locations, just go to the desktop, double click on this, and that should open up, but it will not be available under locations. And for us to bring that to locations, go to Finder on the top toolbar, and then click on Preferences. Now, we would then have to go to Sidebar, Locations, External Disks, click on this, and there we see it. The flash drive has popped up on screen for us to now click on, and then use that flash drive for data transfer or external storage spaces. Let's now click out of, no name, right click, eject, take that out of the system. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.